Right now we are with the company EcoRobotik with Bruce. Can you show me, Bruce, what is this amazing toy that helps kids building blocks?
Yeah, so basically, his name is Sparky, and we are doing the whole set. And from traditional building blocks, they are more for stacking. So you follow a manual and you stack the blocks one by one, and you build your own shape. But that's for traditional. But for the AI, you can build your own shape based on the story that Sparky tells you. For example, at the beginning of the game, you can choose different theme of the hats. This is the magical forest, this is the sea. So for example, kids put the hat, magical forest, on the top of the Sparky hat. Sparky will say, oh, here comes the magical forest, welcome, welcome. And now, Naughty Squeaky took my friend away. Can you help me build a vehicle to catch a Squeaky? And the kids can create their own vehicle from these traditional blocks. And after they finish, they show Sparky their build. And Sparky will say, wow, that's an awesome vehicle, awesome car. Now let's catch up the Squeaky. As the story goes on, the kids can create their own shape. And more importantly, we have the special blocks. The kids can use special blocks to fantasize their own design. For example, the car can light up and motor can spin. Yeah, all those creations. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bruce. And then this is going to be sold in about 6 months here in the United States, correct?
Yeah. Okay. In June 2026, we will start selling. Yeah.
And Unicorn Blocks and their website, correct?
Yes. Unicornblocks.ai. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.